This 2021 Jayco J Feather Micro 12 SRK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 13 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 25 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features mid-living area, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco J Feather Micro 12 SRK is 1,645 pounds. This 2021 Jayco J Feather Micro 12 SRK. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.